Why learn Python? Sorry, my bad. Why you should learn Python. Python has been one of the most popular programming languages for decades. It's known for its large community, vast ecosystem, and simple, readable syntax, making it the perfect starting point for beginners and a valuable, if not necessary, skill for any programmer. Because it's in high demand and offers numerous job opportunities across a wide range of industries worldwide, Python has become a go-to language in the tech world. It's widely used in web development, where developers build websites, structure the logic behind applications, and connect the front end with the back end using APIs. In data analysis and visualization, Python helps people make sense of information, discover trends, and clearly present results. It's also great for automation and web scraping, allowing you to handle repetitive tasks or collect data from websites effortlessly. In the field of cybersecurity, Python is used to test system vulnerabilities, build tools, and strengthen digital defenses. It also supports desktop and mobile app development, and even the creation of games. When it comes to smart technology, Python powers IoT devices and robots, helping them interact with the environment and perform tasks efficiently. It's also making strides in blockchain, where it aids in building secure, decentralized applications. Most importantly, Python plays a key role in artificial intelligence. It's the foundation for teaching machines how to learn, think, and solve real-world problems. Thanks to its simplicity and flexibility, Python has become essential to AI development and the future of technology. And that's not all. There are many more fields where Python is leaving its mark. From education and finance to media and entertainment, Python is everywhere. In fact, you can literally build anything with Python if you put your mind to it. And that's what makes it such a powerful and exciting language to learn. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for awesome Python tutorials, coding tips, and the latest tech updates.